The aim of this video is to provide you with an overview of what you need to do if your spatial digital data is affected by positional accuracy issues. We'll be covering off what is PAI, how HMLR can help to identify fixes, and how you can use the HMLR Migration Helper tool for this fix. Positional accuracy issues arise when the plotted extent does not follow features on the underlying map when it should. This can be caused by a number of factors. Between 2001 and 2006, Ordnance Survey ran a program to correct inaccuracies in their older maps. This resulted in a shift in some features on the base map in some areas. Any plotting which had been based upon the older maps in these areas may therefore no longer fit the revised map and require replotting to accurately reflect the extent. If a polygon has been plotted freehand without snapping to points on the base map, it may not accurately follow the features. This inaccuracy will also require correction. In some cases, of course, it is intentional to not follow base map features, in which case the plotted extent can be left as it is after checking. The first question is how much of your local land charge data is affected by PAI. It's important to consider if you can identify all the spatial layers that may be affected, and if you can self-extract the data and provide to HMLR. HMLR will be able to assist with any questions you may have around self-extraction. Once you've identified that you have spatial layers that are affected by PAI and established that you can self-extract, send HMLR the LLC polygons from those layers with the associated textual charge information. HMLR will run a script to identify affected spatial extents. Where there is a high level of confidence in the correct polygon, an automated fix can be applied with your agreement. For other polygons identified, HMLR will load the affected data into the migration helper. We'll provide you with access, training and support, and you'll be able to work through the polygons, fixing as you go. You'll be able to re-import the corrected digital dataset for use within your business as usual. By using the migration helper, you'll be able to consider original extents presented for review and quickly amend to the corrected extent. We'll now go through the more detailed process that you will follow in the migration helper. To fix those extents, you'll click on Manage Migration Data tab from the main screen first. You'll then go to the tab showing the Positional Accuracy Issue Found field on the migration dashboard. The migration helper will offer a variety of candidate polygons from different datasets. You'll be able to select the most appropriate candidate, or consider amending and redrawing if necessary, or leaving unamended if no action is required. The migration helper is built to be really intuitive and allow for plotting or a selection of extents without any previous experience of mapping tools. HMLR will provide you with guidance and support on how to use the migration helper to ensure you are fully trained and are familiar with the agreed process. There will be an additional migration helper document available to provide more information on the tool if you would like. Please contact your HMLR delivery manager for any further information on referrals you may need to make or questions you may have. The migration helper does enable multiple parties to view a referral, although not concurrently, if you would like to discuss a particular referral collaboratively. Please contact your delivery manager or send an email to the local land charges team email address shown here if you would like to discuss options available to you for scanning. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you in the future.